Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have, I think this is my membership kit from Everyday Explorers. So let's take a look at it. All right, my address was on the other side. So I didn't do that one on camera. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, so this is a thank you, but you can also cut those out and use them. And, what is this? Is this a notepad? Journaling Club freebie. Huh. So it looks like it is the month of the year. Since this is the end of the year, I guess we'll get a little something extra. Really neat. Oh, I'm gonna like this a lot. Love it. And so the months correspond. I like this. Now this is like just regular paper, copy paper. Maybe a little bit thicker than copy paper. No, I think it's about the same as copy paper. But it's not cardstock. It's nice. Okay. And then we get into our kit. Okay, so we got best worst, huh? All right. Oh, so this is the end of the year, so you rate things. Okay. So they gave you a kit. Help you rate things, and this insert you can actually cut up and use. All right, so we got washi. I guess is that washi tape or is it ribbon? Samples here. I think this is that's washi tape. So that can go in your purse or whatever. All right. I do like the way these kits are smaller, so we can you can put it in your purse or anything, but I still feel like I'm being cheated. Okay, so you got your rating here, thumbs up or down, the best ever, how I feel about this. I like that. So I guess you put the little happy face in there. It was okay, not great, review, love this, and then a star. So this would be cute. All right, and then let's see what we got here. All right, so we got some clear stickers. And then you got some white back stickers. And then some stickers that looks like, journaling collages. If you do collages, you would like that. And I do like the word stickers. And we got alphas in that colorway. And then we got journaling boxes. Okay, so that is the kit. I am still deciding if I like this new kit. I kind of don't. I don't know if I am going to continue my membership. I am still thinking about it. But anyway, I'll figure it out. This might be my last subscription, because you can get 3 or 6 months, or I think you can get 9 months and then 12 months. I think I did a 3-month subscription. So anyway, guys, that is what I had to share today, and I would love your thoughts on whether or not you did this, if you're going to continue, or if you're thinking about starting it or whatever. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.